Welcome back to Philanthropy News Network, where generosity is flowing and the updates are non-stop. I'm Isabella Lambert.
And I'm Casey Scott. We've got a packed report for you today, so buckle up, mark your calendars, and get ready to fill your cup, literally.
That's right, we're talking about Day for Oxy, happening on April 23rd on the JSC Quad from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. This is breaking news, Oxy. This is your chance to celebrate, give back, and grab some free goodies. So come parched, because we're helping to fill up Oxy's cup while you fill up yours. Back to you, Ruby.
In other news, love is in the air, and as it turns out, so is philanthropy. We just wrapped up our Oxy Couples project, celebrating alumni duos who met on campus and fell in love. Eva Johanshire, class of 2019, and Charlie Whitwer, class of 2018, charmed us with their story of finding love after 2 years of friendship at Telefund. They're getting married this August.
It really warms my heart. Love and giving go hand in hand, and Oxy couples are proof that some things really are meant to last. Now, let's take a tour of an incredible space on campus, the recently renovated Media, Arts, and Culture space.
Thanks to the hard work of the MAC Task Force and generous donors, this space is next level. Let's check it out.
Welcome to the Mac Lab. Now with access to more cameras, more mics, it's more opportunities for students to bring their creative visions to life. From high-tech cameras to post-production suites, this renovation is setting up Oxy students for Hollywood-level success. So what's the most exciting part of this space? Let's ask someone on the ground.
The most exciting part about this space, having the tools to create without limitation.
This space gives us the freedom to experiment and produce work at a professional level.
Shout out to the MAC Task Force and Philanthropy for making it happen. And with more students joining the major each year than ever before, we can't wait to see what comes next.
Wow, that space is looking cinematic.
Sure is.
Now, let's take things over to our reporter in the field, who's live with the Senior Class Gift Committee.
Hello? Can you hear me? Okay, great. I'm here with Aidhan and Charlotte, two members of the Senior Class Gift Committee, and they're here to give us a rundown on this year's campaign.
This year, the class of 2025 is rallying support for current year scholarships, making a lasting impact before we even cross the graduation stage.
And when you give $10 or more, you get this exclusive orange tassel for commencement.
That's right, look at it shimmer, so don't wait. From now until commencement, give any day and leave your mark.
Love it. A chance for seniors to leave their legacy and receive an accessory. That's a win-win.
And speaking of wins, it's time to check in with our dollar specialist for the latest on Telefund's fundraising achievements.
That's right, folks. As I've always said, spring showers bring May flowers. But here at Oxy, donor contributions bring scholarships, research, and top-tier campus experiences. Let's take a look at the latest numbers rolling in. As you can see here, Telefund has raised a total of $100,000 this year. And a special shout out to Martha, our top fundraiser of the month, with $11,925 raised so far this year. Way to make it rain, Martha. And the giving forecast? Looking bright. Want to be part of the action? Drop a comment below and one of our stellar ambassadors will personally reach out to get you in on the Giving Fund. Stay generous, Oxy. Back to you in the studio.
That's all for this edition of Philanthropy News Network, where giving is trending and generosity never goes out of style.
See you next time, and until then, answer your phones.